Welcome to the Partner Dashboard of ChromeOS Readiness tool. Let's take a quick walkthrough. Start by navigating to the web dashboard login page URL. Then, sign in using your Google account to access the Partner Dashboard. First, you'll see a list of your partner companies, but no readiness data is visible. Select a company from the list and upload its unique encryption key to view specific details of a company. Then you'll see the organizational readiness overview and company device distribution for the selected company at the top. Below, you can click on the selected company in this list to drill down further. This detailed view shows most used applications and a breakdown of readiness for each domain within that company. In the Devices section, select the desired company and domain from the drop-down menus. For each device, you'll see its overall readiness status and a breakdown of application readiness. A special tag will appear for devices that are compatible with ChromeOS Flex. You can click on any readiness status to see the specific applications inside, and use the filter to view only ChromeOS Flex compatible devices. In the Virtualization section, select a company to view their data. You'll see organization-wide applications categorized as possibly ready or blocker. Each application is listed with an indicator showing if it can be virtualized with Cameyo. Hover over the tooltip for more details on virtualization compatibility. In the Peripherals section, select a company to view charts on core device readiness and a comparative distribution of core versus peripheral devices. In the section below, you'll find a detailed list of devices. Clicking View All Peripherals opens a pop-up with readiness details for all connected hardware like monitors, printers, and scanners. In the Browser Insights section, you can select a company to find key statistics, including total devices, unique browsers, browser versions, and installed extensions. Explore visuals on browsers used across the organization, organization-wide usage trends, browser version details, and an overview of all installed extensions. You can also explore device-level browser insights. The Feedback section displays the status of all feedback submitted. Share your experience and report any issues. You can filter by company to review feedback descriptions, submission dates, and current resolution statuses. When you're done, click the Logout option in the side menu to safely exit the Partner Dashboard.